Welcome to this video where we will show you how to set up your payout account. But first, what is a payout account? A Facebook payout account is the account you set up to receive payments from Facebook for monetized content, such as ads on videos, stars, or other Facebook monetization features like bonus in our case. If you are a content creator or a business using Facebook monetization tools, you will need to link a payout account to receive earnings directly from Facebook. And Facebook typically pays out earnings around the 21 of each month. If your balance meets the minimum payout threshold, and it's depend your country, and depending on your location too, you may be required to provide tax forms like W9 for US residents or W8B for non-US residents. And to set up your payout account, you need to have a Facebook page, invited for the performance bonus, or eligible to make money from any tool of the monetization tools of Facebook. Now, assuming that you have the invitation for the bonus program like this, we click on bonuses. If you purchased a page, invited page, you need to have the get started button on it. If you don't have the get started button on it, it means that your page is already connected to another payout and you can't use it. You should have like this one, get started, agree on terms, next. Now you should put your first name, your last name, and you should put your correct informations, because Facebook can ask an ID verification for your payout account. You choose your country. Here we choose the individual. If you have an LLC, you can use it. We need to fill this form again with the correct informations again, of course. You put your address, your exact address, everything here you put in your payout account should be correct. Now I will put anything just to record the video and to show you how to fill out this form. I will put phone number, an email, and here you put your TIN if you are a United States resident. If you are not, like me, I will put just my number ID. I will check this box. I will check the information again before hitting next. Now you choose between the manual link bank account or PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account, you can choose it. I will choose the manual link bank account, and it will give me a form to fill. As you can see, you need to use your bank account with your name, the name that you used to set up your payout account. I will not link this page because I already have a payout account. This is all in this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you.